Hey, what's up? This is a new Huawei Band 7 fitness tracker, and I am very excited about it, because this is my first fitness bracelet from Huawei. You know, I have already tested the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 and the Smart Band 7 Pro on our channel Tech Brothers. You can watch the videos about them by the links in description. Huawei Band 7 is closer to Smart Band 7 in price and features, but in design it is more similar to Smart Band 7 Pro. In this video we will do unboxing and full review of the new Huawei fitness tracker. If you are interested in comparison of Huawei and Xiaomi fitness bracelets, please write in the comments below. You know, I have a Chinese version of Huawei Band 7, but it is the same as a global one. Only the inscriptions on the box and user manual are in Chinese, while the functions of the fitness bracelet are the same, including multi-language support. Inside the box there is a fitness tracker itself, user manual and magnetic charging cable. As already said, Huawei Band 7 looks more similar to Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro because of the rectangular display. However, the screen of Huawei fitness tracker is even smaller than Smart Band 7. A display diagonal of Huawei Band 7 is 1.47 inches and resolution is 194 by 364 pixels. This is AMOLED panel with always-on display support. You can choose from 5 watch faces for always-on display. The brightness of the screen is 450 nit. For comparison, Xiaomi Smart Band 7 has 500 nit maximum brightness. Anyway, the screen of Huawei Band 7 is clearly visible outdoors. There is no ambient light sensor in the new Huawei fitness tracker, so you can only choose a screen brightness level from 1 to 5. Talking about design of Huawei Band 7, first I want to say it is very lightweight, only 28 grams. This is because a fitness tracker is made of polymer materials, while the strap is silicon. The dimensions of the tracker are 44.3 by 26 by 9.99 mm. On the back of the bracelet, we can see a heart rate sensor and 2 charging contacts. One of the main differences between Huawei Band 7 and Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is a physical button on Huawei fitness tracker. I found it very useful and even necessary in some situations. For example, when you are running, you can press a physical button to pause and resume a workout. By the way, Huawei Band 7 has 5 ATM water resistant, so there's even a pool swimming mode. We will talk about workout modes a little later. As you can see, I have a black fitness tracker and a strap of Huawei Band 7, but it is also available in gray, gold, green and red colors. The strap is replaceable, so you can buy an additional one of any other color. You know, I think that I like the design of Huawei Band 7 more than Xiaomi Smart Band 7, because it has a rectangular screen, but it is also more compact than Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Now let's talk about functions of the fitness tracker. Huawei Band 7 has 8 watch faces out of the box, and 3 of them are customizable. I mean, you can customize the colors with one touch of the screen, and even choose widgets from heart rate, battery, steps, calories, weather, stress, activity and hours active. That's very good. And then you can swipe left to measure heart rate, SpO2 level, check a weather and daily activity. Swipe to the right does the same functions, but in a reverse order. If you want to read the new notifications, then swipe up. Huawei Band 7 also has a quick settings menu with Do Not Disturb mode, screen on/off, find phone, alarm clock and settings menu. All the apps are available by pressing a physical button. There is workout modes, workout records, workout status, heart rate, SpO2, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, notifications, weather, Alipay, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone and settings menu. In the settings menu we have a display, vibration, do not disturb mode, pin, workout settings, heart rate data broadcast, system and update, help and about. As already said, Huawei Band 7 has 8 watch faces out of the box, and you can change them in the display settings. You can also choose a watch face for always on display, change the order or remove the functions from quick access menu, change screen brightness, enable or disable tab to wake screen, and advanced settings with sleep time and screen time. By the way, I forgot to show you workout modes. There are 96 sports modes available on Huawei Band 7. When you start a workout mode, for example outdoor run, a fitness tracker says that it is searching for GPS. However, Huawei Band 7 doesn't have built-in GPS. It uses a geopositioning from your smartphone, so mobile device should be nearby when you run or walk for more accurate indicators of distance, speed, etc. The new fitness tracker from Huawei also has Huawei True Scene 4.0 hardware for automatic SpO2 and heart rate measurements. Huawei True Sleep 2.0 technology is used for sleep analysis. Huawei TrueSport technology tracks high-level metrics like running ability index, VO2 max, recovery time, training effect, etc. Huawei Band 7 also has a true relax technology to monitor a stress level, while breathing exercise helps reduce stress. You know, the new fitness tracker from Huawei doesn't have a speaker and mic, so you cannot take a phone call, but you can see the incoming call and reject it. To receive notifications of calls and new messages, you need to connect a fitness tracker to smartphone through Huawei Health App. It is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app you can see the steps, distance, calories, exercise records, heart rate, sleep, stress, SpO2, blood pressure, and other information. In the exercise menu, you can choose a plan for indoor run, outdoor run, walk, and cycle. As you can see, I have already connected Huawei Band 7 to smartphone. There are 8 watch faces available on fitness tracker out of the box, but hundreds more are available in the app. That's very good, but I am very surprised that most of them are paid. I don't remember having to pay for watch faces on Xiaomi Smart Band 7. In the settings menu, we can go to health monitoring and turn on/off the following functions: Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring, automatic stress test, and automatic SpO2. You can also set an alarm clock, enable weather reports and notifications. The device settings menu has only Bluetooth disconnection reminder and raise to wake. Finally, you can restore factory settings and update firmware. As you can see, I have a new version. Let's install it. Talking about battery of Huawei Band 7, I didn't find information about capacity, but the battery life on a single charge is up to 14 days. With active use, you will have about 10 days. It is about the same as other fitness tracker in 2022. By the way, Huawei says that the new fitness bracelet supports fast charging, but only 5 minutes of charge provides 2 days of use. That's really impressive. You know, when it comes to design, Huawei Band 7 is somewhere between Xiaomi Smart Band 7 and a Smart Band 7 Pro. I like a rectangular display of Huawei fitness tracker because it is more convenient to read notifications and other information. It is also smaller than the display of Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, which is good for sports fitness tracker. However, Huawei Band 7 doesn't have built-in GPS and NFC, unlike Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. I like the interface of the new Huawei bracelet as well as the mobile app. Overall, I am happy with Huawei Band 7, and I even liked it more than Xiaomi Smart Band 7, although they are very similar in functions. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!